Hi friends, this is 5 minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set fingerprint in one phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First, go to the settings of your phone here and click on password and security and click on fingerprint. And it will ask you to authenticate with your current pattern, and I draw it and yes. Now it gives instruction to set fingerprint. Place your finger on the sensor is on the power button. Just press this sensor and lift when you feel vibration. So you got to press on the sensor, press the sensor with your finger, the finger that you want to add, and lift when you feel vibration. When vibration occurs, lift. That is the instruction. Easy instruction, isn't it? Do it until it finishes off. Enroll fingerprint edges now. Press the sensor with the edges of your fingerprint and lift when you feel vibration. Yes, fingerprint added, and click on done. You are recommended to also enroll your face and use face unlock. Now I cancel it, and this is the fingerprint that I added. And if you want to edit it, click on these three dots and click on rename, and you can edit. I edit it as F1 and click on save. And if you want to add one more finger, click on add a fingerprint again and place another finger on the sensor and follow the same instruction, that is place, and if you feel vibration, just lift your finger. Place, feeling vibration, lift. Place your finger, feeling vibration, lift. Do it fast. Now edges are going on and it's finished. Click on done, and I cancel it and I rename it as F2. F2. Then I would like to add another finger also. I would like to check how many fingerprint can be added, maximum. So I go on. Just wait. Take a snacks and oh, this finger already exits, so I got to give another one. Take snacks and eat it until I complete, because I go up to maximum number. Done, and I cancel and I click on rename here and I set it as F3. Then I click on add a fingerprint again. Yeah, oh, it opens, so still it can be added. Done. I cancel and I rename it as F4. And again I click on add a fingerprint, and this time I use another finger, left side finger. It's done. Oh, only up to 5 fingerprints can be added. Oh, I discovered. Click on rename and I rename it as F5. So I have added this 4 fingers and this 1 finger. And to check it whether it's working or not, put lock screen and try to open with your finger. First I open it with my left hand index finger. Yes, it's working. Just place on the sensor and your phone be unlocked. Wow, it's working. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.